So I just found out about this interesting update that with just 1,000 points, you just withdraw $3. And trust me, immediately I signed up and did my first survey, I got 250 points. Now, this site, you don't need VPN, you don't need to have a USA phone number, you don't need to have, like, you don't need all those protocol. They accept Nigerians, okay? So you can start with your mobile phone number. You need a phone number or a Facebook account to sign up on this platform, right? Once you have any of these two, you are good to go. And as you can see, let's just explore all the rewards. For 1,000 points is $3. That means I only need to complete three more surveys, which literally takes less than 2 minutes, and I will get $3, right? So after this, then let's explore more rewards. For the 2,000 points, right? For the 2,000 points, the 2,000 points is just $6 you would gain. Then if you scroll down again, you can see for 3,000 points is $9. Let me be showing you guys. So this platform is something that you should really hop onto, right? Now if you scroll down, for 4,000 points is $12, for 5,000 points is $15, 6,000 points is $18, seven up down up to $30. At this $30, once you reach 10,000 points, it will automatically withdraw to your payment setting. You don't even need to come back to set it. Will automatically, once you reach $30, it will do it automatically for you, right? So now the next thing is, if you want to be able to, like, if you click on that explore this thing, and once I reach $3, this redeem reward will open immediately, and I'll redeem it straight to my payment. Now, in order to set your payment properly so that when it's time to withdraw, you will not have issues, all you have to do is come down to this place that says account, that down part that says account, click on it, then click on payment settings, right? Now once you click on it, here you're going to set your payment. If not, you will not be able to withdraw, right? Now, before I show you the name of this app, like I said, this app is completely free, no free software or anything needed, right? Before I show you the name of this app, if you also want to, like, gain access to, like, maybe you want to start earning, because I just got a contract by uploading AI stories on a platform, right? Now you have to be smart about it so that this platform don't detect that it's an AI story, and this contract is in dollars. Yes, you're going to be earning in dollars if you master this skill, you get. So if you're interested, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. It is not free, oh, it is 5,000 naira only, and I will teach you how you can write AI stories and be earning sweet dollars. Just send me a message on WhatsApp, 5,000 naira, and the link will be in the description. If you also want me to, like, guide you one-on-one mentorship on survey, also send me a WhatsApp message. Or if you want to start a YouTube channel but you don't know where to start and you need a guidance or a one-on-one mentorship, also send me a message on WhatsApp and I will guide you through. Okay, so now let me show you the name of this app, this sweet app. So now the name of this app is called Views Points, as you can see, right? Just go over to your Play Store, right? Come over to your Play Store, and then you're going to be searching the word Views Points, right? Now if you click on Viewpoint, sorry, not Views Points, click on Viewpoint, then click on Open. You sign up either with your phone number or your Facebook account, either one of them. It's straightforward. Immediately you sign up, in less than 20 minutes, they will give you your first task. Complete it, okay? But please also bear in mind, after completing your first task, you have to wait like 2 or 3 days to unlock more tasks, okay? But if you want an easier one, send me a DM, okay? If your goal is $10 to $30 every week through survey, send me a DM and I will guide you, right? But personally, I also advise you also going to writing AI stories for platform, because that way you would is a passive income, right? So yeah, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.